Welcome to Hard Machines Hub. Today, we're exploring the True Plant T14R's grinder, Ford's dump truck, and the powerful Caterpillar D8R bulldozer. Let's dive into lawn mowing, stone collection, and leaf sweeping with heavy machinery. This innovative machine, equipped with a high-pressure spray cannon, can spray up to 120 meters and reach heights of 45 meters. Its accompanying truck features a specially designed sprinkler system optimized for efficient operation in urban areas. Operators can conveniently control the machine remotely from inside the vehicle. It promises top-notch road cleaning or disinfection without adding extra strain to traffic or posing a risk to pedestrians. While tasks like leaf collection can be done manually, this machine makes the process significantly easier and faster. Additionally, the Titan Leaf Solutions is a giant vacuum cleaner, particularly valuable during the fall season. It boasts an impressive 14,000-pound adjustable 3-inch Pinel nozzle, safety chains, a heavy-duty direct drive fan, and an 84-horsepower liquid-cooled diesel engine. True to its name, this Titan features a 16-inch durable discharge nozzle, a 4T hose, and a 50-gallon aluminum fuel tank with integrated gauges. Typically mounted on a truck, the equipment ensures thorough cleaning on both sides of the road during operation. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic head and a blade resembling a beak, designed to cut through tree stumps with ease. When the blade rotates, this impressive device can handle stumps taller than 50 centimeters effortlessly. Requiring 73 to 106 kilowatts of power, it needs to be attached to a small tractor or excavator for operation. Its hydraulic pump unit is engineered to deliver significantly more power than similar machines, making it a standout choice for demanding tasks. The ultimate solution for large-scale mowing and land clearing. Designed for durability and efficiency, this agricultural tool is built to handle the toughest terrains and vegetation with ease. With its flexible wing design, the cutter can adapt to uneven ground, ensuring a smooth and consistent cut across the landscape. Whether it's managing overgrown grass, clearing brush, or maintaining pastures, this machine gets the job done. Powered by a robust gearbox and precision-engineered blades, the FlexWing rotary cutter offers exceptional cutting performance. Its wide cutting deck increases productivity, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. Its heavy-duty frame and adjustable deck height allow precise cutting from 2 to 14 inches, making it ideal for tackling everything from grass to dense brush. The machine's hinged wings ensure consistent ground contact, even on slopes or rugged surfaces equipped with high-torque gearboxes and sharp replaceable blades. The cutter delivers exceptional cutting power while maintaining durability. The slip clutch and chain guards protect the machine and operator from debris, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The FlexWing rotary cutter features hydraulically operated wings that fold and unfold with ease. With a cutting width that can span from 12 to 20 feet, it efficiently handles large areas in one pass. The wings can be adjusted to angles ranging from 90 degrees upward to 22 degrees downward, providing excellent flexibility on uneven terrain. This truck is a heavy-duty dump truck designed to handle some of the toughest jobs out there. What makes it special? First, let's talk about its capacity. It can carry loads of up to insert approximate weight, e.g. 10 tons, making it perfect for transporting large quantities of materials like gravel, sand, or even construction debris. Now, about its power, it's equipped with an insert engine type or horsepower, e.g. 300 horsepower engine, that ensures it can handle steep inclines, rough terrains, and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Combine that with its advanced hydraulic system, and you've got a truck that can unload its cargo quickly and efficiently. This isn't just a truck. It's a beast designed for productivity. So, where does a truck like this shine the most? It's a star at construction sites, moving materials like sand, gravel, or rubble. In agriculture, it's often used for carrying fertilizers or harvested crops. And for municipal services, it's a key player in tasks like waste collection or road maintenance. Its strength and versatility make it indispensable in all these areas. Behold the Prinoth Panther, a tracked engineering masterpiece. This beast boasts a massive 10-ton payload capacity and can climb slopes up to 60%. Let's talk power. It's equipped with a Cummins turbo diesel engine, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. And the horsepower? A whopping 275 horsepower. This isn't your average off-road machine. Time to get dirty. The Prinoth Panther dominates mud, snow, and sand thanks to its tracked design. It glides effortlessly over soft surfaces without sinking. Whether it's a fish farm, a forest, or a swamp, this vehicle maneuvers like a ninja. Quiet, smooth, and efficient. So, where does this monster come in handy? Let's start with construction. Imagine tight spaces and uneven grounds, no problem. The Panther tackles tough jobs and delivers heavy loads with ease. And it doesn't stop there. From pipeline installation to power line maintenance and even forestry work, this machine is a versatile champion for all challenging tasks. There you have it, the off-road champion, the Prinoth Panther. If tough jobs and extreme terrains are your playground, this machine is your ultimate partner. Stay tuned for more incredible vehicles in our next video. Now, enjoy the stunning footage of this Black Panther in action. Behold the giant itself, Caterpillar D9. At first glance, it might look like just another bulldozer, but no, this is an engineering marvel. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The D9 is powered by the Caterpillar C18 turbo diesel engine, which delivers a massive 410 horsepower to move its 50-ton weight. And how about speed? While not a racer, it's all about precision and stability, effortlessly moving tons of earth within minutes. What about fuel efficiency? With its high-capacity fuel tank and optimized engine, the D9 can work for hours without breaking a sweat. That's why it's the go-to machine on every major site. Want to see the D9 in action? Let's head to some of the toughest terrains out there. Rugged rocks, thick mud, steep slopes. It doesn't matter. This beast dominates them all with its hydraulic power and advanced track system, moving as if the ground was made for it. Leveling a mountain? Repairing a highway? The D9 shows up and says, "I've got this." Especially on rocky landscapes and sandy dunes, its ability to clear and stabilize the ground is unmatched. Watching it at work is like seeing a symphony perform, powerful, coordinated, and awe-inspiring. Now, let's imagine where this powerhouse is used. Picture the D9 on a construction site, clearing massive areas in just a few hours. But that's not all it can do. Construction industry, essential for building dams, airports, and massive highways. Mining, ideal for moving heavy materials and clearing open-pit mines. Agriculture and forestry, clearing forest roads or preparing vast farmlands. The D9 can handle it all. And here's a fun fact. The D9 is even used in military operations for trench digging and strengthening defensive zones. Truly, this machine is unstoppable. For now, sit back and watch the D9 leave its mark on the toughest terrains. Feel the power and enjoy the show. Say hello to the Schulte AMP 935 rock picker. This bright green beauty may look unassuming, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to clearing rocks and debris from fields. Built to tackle even the most challenging terrains, it's a must-have for anyone dealing with rocky fields. Let's talk numbers. This beast boasts a working width of over 9 feet, 2.75 meters. Meaning it clears huge areas with every pass. It's attached to a tractor, and with its hydraulically powered system, it efficiently picks up rocks ranging from small pebbles to boulders up to 27 inches, 68 centimeters in diameter. Impressive, right? So, how does it work? The Schulte rock picker uses heavy-duty, rotating tines to scoop up rocks and debris from the soil. The rocks are then collected in a large hopper, which can hold up to 3 cubic yards, 2.3 cubic meters, of material before needing to be emptied. But what really sets this machine apart is its advanced floating mechanism. The tines adjust automatically to the terrain, ensuring no rock gets left behind, even on uneven ground. It's like having a robot with a sixth sense for rocks. Now, you might be wondering, where can I use this? Well, the possibilities are endless. Farming, perfect for preparing fields for planting, ensuring crops grow in smooth, debris-free soil. Construction, clearing rocks from land before building roads or laying foundations. Landscaping, creating pristine lawns and gardens with zero rocky surprises. And here's a fun fact. This machine isn't just for small-time projects. It's regularly used on massive commercial farms and even for reclaiming overgrown land. Wherever rocks are a problem, the Schulte rock picker is the solution. Let's face it, manually removing rocks from fields is back-breaking work. But with the Schulte rock picker, what used to take days can now be done in hours. Its durable build and efficient design make it a farmer's best friend. Here's what one user had to say. "I've been farming for over 30 years, and this machine has saved me countless hours. I can finally focus on growing crops instead of fighting rocks." High praise, right? And it's well-deserved. The Schulte rock picker is built to last. With its reinforced steel frame and low-maintenance hydraulic system, it can handle years of heavy use. And when it's time for some TLC, the machine's components are easy to access and service. Plus, with its quick attach-detach system, you can switch it on and off your tractor in no time. Flexibility and durability. What more could you ask for?